One of the things that our workers' compensation clients have to do sometimes is referred to as a light duty job search. And what a light duty job search is, there's a Court of Appeals case called Maloney v. Gordon County Farms. And when this comes into play is if you are working for your employer after a workers' compensation claim under light duty restrictions, and the employer terminates you for cause or claims to have at least terminated you for cause, meaning that some type of misconduct or some type of thing that you were doing that the employer deemed unsuitable, like being tardy or absent too many times or not calling in, or some type of issue at work that led you to get terminated other than your work-related injury. And when that happens, this case, Maloney v. Gordon County Farms, what the workers' compensation law says is that you have to do a job search in order to make a claim for TTD benefits or workers' comp income benefit checks. And we ultimately will have to go to court in these cases to try to prove that you've been doing a job search, and also that you're not getting hired because of your light duty job restrictions. So, kind of like an unemployment claim, you're obligated to do a job search, but we have the added burden in a workers' compensation case to prove that you're not getting hired at potential employers because of your light duty job restrictions. So, and also the job search has to be, quote, diligent. So what that means is, what we recommend to our clients is that you contact at least one potential employer per day, and that you apply for jobs that actually have openings, like go on Indeed or look in the classifieds in the papers, what people used to do. I understand most stuff is online these days, but apply for places that have openings. Let any potential employers know about your light duty job restrictions. That's what we recommend to our clients. So if we go to court, you can testify that you did let potential employers know about your light duty job restrictions. And so we do recommend that. And then also apply for jobs for which you think you're qualified. If your past work experiences as an electrician, don't apply for a job as an emergency room doctor and so forth. Apply for jobs that you think you're able to do or that you would be potentially qualified to do, and then keep a record of it. If it's online, we recommend putting somewhere on your resume or some way for the potential employer to know that you do have light duty job restrictions, because that is going to be the number one issue. If we go to court to try to get back income TTD benefits for you, we have to prove that you've been doing this job search and that you didn't get hired because of your light duty job restrictions. So this is a commonly litigated issue in workers' compensation cases in Georgia. It's one that we have had success litigating and prevailing on in the past, but it does require cooperation from our clients to do the job search and do a diligent one, so we can prove that in court that you're not getting hired because of your light duty job restrictions.